For what?
For your car.
Working on the car?
Yeah, what do you call those things? Would you put underneath your car?
You talking about the ramps I use to put it up in the air?
Yeah.
Want to change the oil?
The ramps are really important. They get your car, and then you might need a skateboard to go under it if your things is under there.
Skateboard?
Yeah, you can go under there and just get it down.
Really?
You know? You might need it for Christmas.
You gonna get it for me?
Yeah.
So why do I go under the car? What do I do under the car?
You have to fix it, really, silly.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Barry.
Something to do with oil or what?
Something to do with the oil. Too.
Change oil? Anything else? What else do I do?
If you fix the train, you might need a skateboard, but you better be careful. Oil will come out.
Oh, okay.
It will spread down really quick.
Gotcha.